Congratulations to Wandile Duba for scoring his first brace of the new season. Let's hope it's something esizawuloko siyibona kuye leyo yokuskora. Also, we can give him credit because he came from the bench and managed to score 2 goals. Also, we can give credit to Ulebuhang Maboy because his effort is the one resulted to that goal. Also, let's give credit to coach because if uyaqaphela the time kulimala uSilva baye baphakamisa uEcuador as replacement kaSilva if ever uSilva akakwazi uqhubeleka neNantsika negame. But they changed the decision kwi-dressing room. They came up with Wandile Duba instead of Ecuador. So Wandile Duba grabbed that opportunity and showed the hunger. I'm not saying ukuthi u-Ecuador bengenazikora yena goals, but what I'm saying is that if you ukhupha uSilva then ufaka u-Ecuador, meaning that aba bantu basafana basadlala indawo enantsika indlela efanayo. But when it comes uNoduba, uDuba it's a total different striker compared to them. So it was a brave decision coaches and it works for them. Also, I like the part that bambonile uNdlovu ukuthi une yellow card and also you can see the way he is aggressive. It was easy and possible for him to get a red card kwi-second half, but they decided ukuthi okay no, kwi-second half masingabuyi naye, babuya noNatsika Nomthetho. Let's shout out kwi-Nansika kwi-changes zabo because i-changes zabo they are early, also they were effective. So I like the way like abasibonise yona kula match, and also believing to these young boys because as young boys they are talented, also they have a potential, but i-mistake ye-coaches ezininzi bezingabhelieve kwezintwana bezizoyikisela. But if you can see De Cruz, uDe Cruz ubonakala engumuntu obhiliva kakhulu kwezintwana zincinci. So let's hope ukuthi sawubona the best of ezintwana zincinci zenantsika ze-Kaizer Chiefs. They will get enough game time to show their talents.